Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to Chef Hyderabadi's kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Poriyaal. So this is Puri Aloo. So this is the dish that goes with the dosas. So my wife is making dosas today and I decided to make the Poriyaal. So it's a very quick and easy recipe. So let's follow it along. First step that we are going to do is boil the potatoes. So you can use either microwave or pressure cooker to boil, whichever way you want to do it. Just go for it, and let's meet in the next step. And while the potatoes are getting boiled, you can actually chop the onions, cilantro and green chili. Cut the onions lengthwise, as I have done it already here. Cilantro, kothmeer is to chop the green chilies. Make sure to chop them a little thicker. This size, perfect. Potato has been boiled, and I'm just gonna show you how soft it is. So it just needs to be this kind of soft. Then we're gonna peel the skin from this, and do not mash it, but we're just gonna peel the skin from this. Boiled my potatoes, and I'm just gonna break them using a fork. You could have used your fingers, but it's too hot, so just use your fork. So this is what you want to get at. Take a deep pan and warm it up and add oil to it when it's ready. Add the oil to it. Okay, start with adding dry red chilies, followed by mustard seeds, rice, then followed by our chane ki dal. Then right after that, while it's getting you're hearing the splattering noise, just add the curry patta to it. So now you're after hearing the sizzle of the curry leaves, once it dies, add your onions to it. Just break them. So fry the onions, fry everything together on a medium heat. Okay, as you can see, it's about 3-4 minutes, and the onions are like at this texture. So now it's the time to add the potatoes. Aloo. Add karo aloo. After adding the aloos, mix them nicely. After mixing them thoroughly, add turmeric, haldi, then namak. Add about the same half a cup of, not half a cup, it's like quarter cup, 100 ml of water again. Then let it mix. Okay, now it's the time to add kothmeer and also the hari mirchi. So add all the stuff, give it a little mix. Okay, now what you're gonna do is cover it with a lid and turn the heat to low and leave it for about 5 minutes. I have taken it out from the pan and it is ready to be eaten with the dosa. People have also eat with the puri, and I've also seen this one served in South Indian thalis. You can also try it with the puris and chapati. I am sure everyone will like this. So thank you for watching and have a great day. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and also start following me on Instagram, and my handle is @Chef Hyderabadi. Thank you so much again. Have a great day.